right, boys and girls, so you should have sang through Ickle Ockle, and you should have not only sang through Ickle Ockle, but you should have played the game as well for a little while, okay? Now, let's remember that most music has a steady beat or pulse that you can feel, step, clap, or dance to. Now, let's try singing Ickle Ockle, okay? With using our fist and our pointer finger to keep the beat like this, okay? So let's try it. Ickle Ockle, blue bottle, fishes in the sea. If you want a handsome fish, then dance with me. Let's try it again. Ready, go. Ickle Ockle, blue bottle, fishes in the sea. If you want a handsome fish, then choose me. Sorry, I forgot the words a little bit. Now, rhythm is the way the words go, or the sounds that the words make is the rhythm of the song. So let's clap Ickle Ockle. Here we go. Ickle Ockle, blue bottle, fishes in the sea. If you want a handsome fish, then dance with me. Do it again. Ready, go. Ickle Ockle, blue bottle, fishes in the sea. If you want a handsome fish, then just choose me. Now, let's remember that one sound a beat, we call this a quarter note, okay? When we see it, we say ta, okay? Two sounds on a beat is called a pair of eighth notes because there are two of them. 1, 2, they're a pair. Two sounds on a beat, we say TT, okay? Now, when a beat is silent, we call that a rest. This is a quarter rest. It makes no sound at all whatsoever. So let's see if we can try saying the beats. So we have pair of eighth notes is TT. That's ta. Let's try it. Okay, so the pair of eighth notes, we say TT. Quarter note, we say ta. Okay, let's try it. Ready, go. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ta. And what I like to do is kind of put my finger over my lips for the rest. So let's try it again. Ready, go. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ta. Now, what you're going to do, boys and girls, is you are going to do a sheet. It's called Picture Rhythms 3. You are going to use the pictures and they're going to make their rhythms, okay? When you are finished, okay, we'll play the video for answers and read through the rhythms, okay? All right, so let's look at Picture Rhythms number 3. So there was one note I didn't tell you about. It's this one right here, okay? And that's called a half note, okay? But let's see if you can figure it out. So we have, the first one was done for us, number 1. They gave us a quarter note, pair of eighth notes, and the half note. Now the half note lasts over 2 beats. So basically 2 blanks. So you don't put anything in this blank. That's what that means, okay? So if you have that note, it takes up 2 blanks, so you skip over one, okay? Now, notice we have the cone next. So it's a quarter note and a quarter note, and we have the hat, which is the half note. Again, 2 beats. We skip over a blank, okay? We go to the next, because notice how they're grouped in 4, okay? The next one looks like this. And then the last 4 look like this. And remember, nothing goes in the last blank, okay? Now, for half note, we're going to clap and say 2, because it lasts for 2 beats. Let's try it. Ready, go. 2, two. Do it again. Ready, go. Two. So when we say this, we go ta, ti, ti, two. So let's see if we can say the rhythm, the whole thing. Ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, two. Ta, ta, two. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta, two. Do it again. Ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, two. Ta, ta, two. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta, two. Okay? Now, let's look at number 2. Okay? Number 2. Number 2, we have the cone, the construction cone, which is ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, two. Remember, we skip over one, leave it blank. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, two, ta, and notice the last blank that they have is blank, so it is a quarter rest, okay? Let's clap and say this one. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, two, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, two, ta. Okay, let's do it again. Ready, go. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, two, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, two, ta. Now notice the next one. On the next one, you have to pay close attention, okay? If you're wondering how this went, if you figured out the pattern of the pictures, it should be easy. If we have two pictures on one, if we have two pictures on one blank, that means that it's a pair of eighth notes. If we have one picture on a blank, that's a quarter note. If it has one picture that takes up two blanks, that's the half note, and no picture is the quarter rest. So we have the drum, that's a quarter note. Two trumpets, pair of eighth notes. Drum, quarter note. Two trumpets is a pair of eighth notes. Then we have a blank, two trumpets, and then notice that flute takes up two blanks, so it's the half note, okay? So we skip over, and then we have a drum, a blank space, drum, blank space, and then the flute takes up two, and the blank space is like that. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. Ti, ti, two, ta, ta, two. So try it again. Ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 two, ta, ta, two. Now, let's look at our very last one here. Okay, let's look at our last one. Half note. Okay, we have a flute, so half note skip, pair of trumpets, so we get a pair of eighth notes. Drum and the flute, half note, make sure you skip over. Pair of trumpets, nothing, so rest. Pair of trumpets, nothing. Okay, then you get a drum, flute, and we leave that blank. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Two, two, ti, ti, ta, two, ti, 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 ta, ta, two. Let's do it again. Ready, go. Two, two, ti, ti, ta, two, ti, 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 ta, ta, two. 2. All right, boys and girls. So that's just a little bit about rhythms today. So it was just a review. Bye.